Why don't women invest? And is it actually as risky as we think? In the UK, only 20% of women aged 18 to 34 invest, compared to 41% of men in that same age group. That's literally double. And the most worrying thing is that the gender investment gap is widening rather than shrinking. And I think that statistic mostly comes down to evolution. Women were built to prioritize stability and safety, and we see risk as a guaranteed way to lose money. But the data shows something different. One of the most famous financial studies conducted on 100 years of US market data shows that you have a 40% chance of losing money if you only invested for a month. That sounds bad, but that number starts dropping to 20% over 5 years, 10% over 10 years, and almost 0% over 20 years. In other words, volatility is expected on the short term, but it smooths out over the long term if you zoom out. So what's the effect of this gap? While we are sitting on the sidelines, keeping our cash in a savings account, which, don't get me wrong, it does protect us from inflation, but it doesn't build the same kind of wealth. We are missing out on years, sometimes decades of compounding market returns. But the funny thing is, psychologically, females are actually the better investors. There was a study conducted by the Warwick Business School on 2,800 UK investors, which found that women's annual returns outperformed men's by an average of 1.8% per year. Because we are more likely to stick to a long-term strategy and invest consistently. We are less likely to panic sell or get excited about the latest meme stock. So I want to open the door to a conversation here. If you're a woman and you don't invest yet, I'm interested to know what is stopping you. And if you're a man and you have partners, sisters, daughters that don't invest yet, take this as a sign to open up a conversation about this topic. I started this channel to share everything I know about investing, and I even have a free series if you're completely new to this. So if you're interested but not sure where to start, follow along.